I'll show you how to install the Google Messages app on your PC or Mac so you can send and receive messages directly from your computer. So for this, open any web browser on your PC or Mac and then search for Google Messages web. Now click on the first link. Now here you will need to sign in with the same Google account that you are using in the Google Messages app. Once you have done that, open the Google Messages app on your phone. Now here you should see 3 icons. You need to select the icon that's appearing on your web browser. So in my case, it's this one. Once you do this, the Google Messages app will start syncing all your data. Now if you want to install the app, you simply need to click on this install messages icon that appears. Now click on install again to confirm. So this will basically install the Google Messages app on your PC. Now as you can see, I am also seeing this icon on the desktop. I can also search for the Messages app using the start menu. So this is how it will appear. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.